Hello friends, and welcome to Mechanistic Pharmacology by Dr. Nitin Nema. Today's title for the discussion is Pharmacology of Ethambutol, which is a fourth part of the lecture series, that is chemotherapy of tuberculosis. So let's move on the content quickly. Ethambutol is a first-line drug agent which is also available as generic medicine, discovered in the year 1961. Friends, it comes in WHO list of essential medicine also. Now, as far as a spectrum of activity is concerned, this drug is static for both intracellular as well as extracellular microorganism. That is, it stops the growth of bacteria, but it is not kill, that is, it does not possesses any bactericidal effect. So it possesses a good spectrum against fast dividing bacilli, and in combination with isoniazid, rifampicin, pyrazinamide, it can be given for the chemotherapy of tuberculosis. Also friends, this drug is given with clarithromycin and rifabutin against Mycobacterium avium intracellular in AIDS patient. Now coming towards its dose, a typical adult dose is around 800 to 1000 milligram once daily. 15 milligram per kg per day can also be managed. For some sort of serious infections, it can be given 1600 milligram thrice a daily. Mechanism of action of ethambutol. Friends, enzyme which is responsible for its mechanism is arabinosyl transferase enzyme. This enzyme is very important for the polymerization of arabinoglycans, which is mycolic acid and responsible for the bacterial cell wall integrity. Friends, the drug, that is ethambutol, binds with the beta subunit of this enzyme pocket and inhibits arabinosyl transferase enzyme. So finally, the integrity of bacterial cell wall hampers due to the effects on its polymerization, and this is the reason why the mycolic acid incorporation into the cell wall is affected and therefore the integrity disturbed. Friends, resistance develop from the point mutation of EMB gene which encode this arabinosyl transferase enzyme. So this drug can also be given in combination with other anti-tubercular drug. Pharmacokinetics of ethambutol. Friends, this drug is absorbed well via oral route, well distributed including CSF, and temporarily stored in RBCs as well. Metabolized by liver and half-life is approximately 4 hours. Excreted via kidney through glomerular filtration and tubular secretion. Therapeutic uses of ethambutol. This drug is highly effective against Mycobacterium avium intracellular. Therefore, it can also be given to the AIDS patient for its treatment. It is used for the leprosy in combination with the drugs like Dapsone, and finally in combination with rifamycin or isoniazid, it is highly active against streptomycin resistant strains of tuberculosis bacilli. Adverse effects of ethambutol. The first adverse effect is optic neuritis, that is red-green color blindness. It precipitates arthritis due to impact on renal excretion of uric acid. nausea, rashes and fever are fewer side effects of ethambutol. Heading towards its contraindications, so this drug is avoided in children below 5 years of age due to visual acuity and red-green color blindness. So finally, here are the references which I had taken for the lecture. So thanks for watching, friends, and do subscribe, support, share and comment the Mechanistic Pharmacology by Dr. Nitin Emma. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.